place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God
a great day yesterday and a great New York session. Let's start my Zoom here.
Recording in progress.
All right. Music.
Good morning.
Good morning. Guys, so what happened with gold yesterday? That thing freaking tanked. Just look at that. Since she rejected, man, after she stopped us out at 20 pips, she just freaking tanked and just kept on dropping. So looking at gold, we at 1955 zone right now, and previously we failed to break below it here, failed again, and now we're trying to break below this again. Now, if we do break below 1955, obviously you have another support at 1952, get another one at 1950. Now, if we break below 1950, you have we have a better range coming back down to 1944. We have about a 40 to 50 pip range coming back down to 1944. So we'll see what we're looking at when London session opens. Question is, can we finally break below 1955? But currently we're creating lower highs, lower lows. Once we break above 1965, we have a break of structure above 1965, and then we can see gold continue pushing up nicely.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Sophia. It's a little bit messy. It's getting so ugly on the 1 hour time frame. So ugly. GJ still has not broken out of this range. It's still in the range from 172,800 to 171,250. It's a range. Big range. I mean, let me see, what day was this? So yesterday we had a fake out when we broke above yesterday's range at 172,650. We had a fake out, we came back down, came all the way back down to 171,250 to the support. We rejected again, and we continued to push up. So GJ is still in the range, big ass range. Let's see. We do have a support here. 1 hour support at 172.150. Just don't want to have too many zones on here because GJ is very ugly. It's very ugly. So kind of looking nice. We're gonna complete this more. NAS is still ranging as well. We're consolidating. NAS looks clean if we can break 13,760. Yeah, it's good eventually hit TP yesterday, but we got stopped out. Sophia, have you taken any trades yesterday or today? Asian session yesterday?
Sorry, what was that? King?
I said, have you taken any trades? Do you trade Asian session?
In London session? You mean after we
No, I'm saying Asian session.
Oh, Asian? Yes, sometimes I do. I would do like Euro, USD, anything that presents itself, but it's a little bit too early for me because my schedule is sleeping schedule is a bit off. So if I'm up and something presents itself, yes, I would go ahead and do so, but I haven't done anything this morning, if that's what you're asking.
Yeah, okay.
I try not to do a 24-hour trading because then I'll become addictive. It's hard to break it.
Excuse me. So gold right here, we do have a 1 hour resistance right here, which is also a lower high. So gold looks messy right now, and buys is very, very risky. The other resistance is 1959, 1962, 1965. Just looking at the 1 hour time frame. Above 1965, we're good. The only reason why I would take a buy, right? If I look at the 1 hour time frame here, because we've not been able to break this support zone at 1955. So if we continue rejecting it and we start pushing up, we form a demand zone, right? If we can retest that demand zone, then I'll be expecting this 1959 not to hold, and at least maybe reject 1962 supply or 1965 supply and start coming back down, because gold is still bearish. Any buys will be a counter trend trade.
I bet you gon' like it. Lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, lava, with me, baby.
So we're gonna remove this for now, because gold could get back to 1962 before we reject.
Ain't no other girl hotter than you, girl, you next. All we gotta do, we could pick up what we left off. Always wanted you, baby, we can be the best.
He asked for today. What do you mean, Ali?
Been around the block, but I'm back 'cause you the best out. Girl, I know you tired.
Come on, let's get the likes up, guys. Let's get these 200 likes. Smash the like button for YouTube algorithm real quick, guys. Let's get 100 likes before London open.
Me, I bet you gon' like it. Lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, lava, with me, baby. Yeah. Lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, lava, with me, baby.
What are you saying, Patel? What do I think about gold's down range for today? I mean, if we keep rejecting 1955, then we could see gold pushing up here, and we could reject 1962 or even 1965 before we start falling again. The question is, are we finally going to break 1955? Are we finally going to break 1955? That's the question right now. Rejected here, here. Well, right now we rejected here, and we just rejected again. So the question is, are we going to break 1955? If we do not break 1955, then we could see gold pushing up some more, like I said, probably to 1962 or 1965 before we start falling again, or we could just push back up right here to around 1958. Right, to around 1958. And come, if we create a demand right here, come back down to demand and then push back up, reject 1962 or 1965. Meaning we could see, now that we rejected, we could see something, you know, even maybe reject 1958, right? Pull back a little bit and then break it and tap into 1962. Oh, tap back 1962 before we, what the hell, why is this now? Oh, tap 1962 before we start to fall again. And even, we might still even go bullish. This resistance right here, tap this resistance, reject, and push up again. So I'm just gonna wait and see what gold is gonna do here. Wait for price to tell me what she's gonna do. Huh? Yeah?
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Tenel is trying to get in, but he just needs the link as his computer is not accessing it through, the means that before. So just as yesterday, it's requesting a link.
I already added him to the private Discord so we can see the Zoom link.
Yeah, but it's not accessing it from his computer. So like yesterday, how you sent out a link and he was able to get in that way, he's asking if you could possibly do the same. I mean, just when you have a chance. Sorry to interrupt.
No, you're fine. I was finished anyways. Let me see.
Please, thank you. On IG, he says.
Okay.
Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with the body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby.
I just sent it to him.
All I need is you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Ewe muleji. Mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. She says she need me like heartbeat. Drive me the bed like a RV. Hugging the curves on that body.
Good night.
Promise not to test your heart. We just can't be
Huh?
apart. Yeah, yeah.
Good night.
Good morning.
It's good morning here.
Good morning. Good morning.
Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going.
So, looking at gold first, we need to see how price reacts once we tap 1958.
Keys to your heart, baby girl. You right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila. Vanemia yila. Ewe muleji. Mami
So what is it? You're waiting for the breakup structure?
Yeah, that's what I would like to see here today on gold breakup structure.
So the white line, which is I understand is
Oh, you're breaking up. You're breaking up.
Your Zoom is also on what's that thing called? YouTube. So like what happened the last time. So mute your YouTube.
Hear better now?
Yeah, I think that's better.
So you want the market to break above what structure there? Tell me the price.
For sales, I prefer below 1950. For buys, prefer above 1965. Based on the 1 hour time frame.
Okay. Well, that resistance at the 1 hour time frame you're on right now.
Oh man, you're still breaking up. Like it's echoing. Are you on YouTube? If you're on YouTube, mute YouTube. Then it should be better.
Not on YouTube, just using phone.
Oh, okay. I think the issue is you. Do you have 2 Zooms running at the same time? That's probably where you're echoing and breaking up.
Hear me better now?
It's still echoing. There's an echo going on.
Mute your Zoom YouTube if you're on it.
I hear me good now?
Say that again?
You hear me now?
Yes. Yeah. I think it's better now. They're talking to you on YouTube channel. They said too much ganja can cause echo.
Yeah, it's clear now.
They can tell you're from Jamaica. Well,
Okay.
I'm about to light up my own ganja over here. I'm not echoing though.
Do a bit shot, Tadel.
Yeah, Chanel, I think you sound better now.
Alright.
Oh, no. You're echoing again.
Yeah, hear me better now?
Yeah, you're still echoing.
There is still a background noise. Do you have 2 devices using? Can you mute the computer or mute the phone, whichever one? Use just one for now.
I hear me better now.
Still echoing. Let me see. I think hold on. I think you're using. Yeah, you're using two Zooms. You on two devices on Zoom. That's why. So you have to log out of one device on Zoom and then only use one. The one you're talking on right now, that's the one you need to use, and just log off the second one. That's why you're echoing.
All right. All right, can you hear me good now?
Oh yeah, this is much better.
Loud and clear.
Yeah, because me I use the two Zoom because there's a specific reason, but I'm active now. But I'm very active now.
Chart, please.
So basically, what chart you're looking at the moment?
Gold.
It's like gold. Gold is at a for me, gold is at a 1 hour demand zone and has been rejected, and that demand zone has been tested 3 times. That is basically the 55.38 3.398 zone.
Yeah, that's what we rejected. We've rejected it multiple times. Each time we push back up.
Yeah, so no exact figure of when you go under 5 minutes. And the 5 minutes, there is no concrete evidence as the upside as yet, but it's coming.
Yep, I feel the same way. But right now, I just want to see how it reacts at 1958. Because we got a 1 hour resistance right there as well.
Yes, that is very much a key area, the 1958. So just waiting on the reaction at that zone.
Yep.
Meaning a breakup structure?
Not necessarily we are at a breakup structure, and this trade you have to consider a few things, which is you have to be considerate about the higher time frame, which is going to show you the deep down demand zone. Understand? If I'm going too fast, you have to tell me about it. So the deep down demand zone, y'all hear me?
You mean the major zone? All right.
Yeah, the deep down demand zone and higher time frame, the 1 hour, which I consider that area is really a support area. So that entire area is what all the action is going to play out at in this market. If the market break through that support area, we're going to have a heavy sell-off.
Yep.
If not, we're going to have a heavy buy to the upside.
So basically, at this point, there's no bias. It's just a wait.
There is no bias to the market at the moment. Correct about what you said. So the market can play either way. Right now, it's very low at a support. So we have to brace ourselves. We don't know the next move. We just have to consider it on our smaller time frame. So the market can continue right now to create lower high. We don't know what the market is going to present. But once we get a higher low, then a few entries can come in play. If the market go lower high, you know, and more entries to the downside. So right now, it's all about patience. What is the take on it, in King?
Yeah, I agree with you 100%.
Because
I prefer the sales better, but hey, if a bullish move presents itself, hey, then I'm taking the buys.
you remember earlier this evening we have the conversation about the entire goal seller that was I didn't fancy the upside.
Oh yeah, down in New York.
Yeah, you see, he played out exactly. He break out a structure, retest it back, and then the downside move. Yeah, it was coming.
Yeah,
it was coming. Like the downside move, it was heavily showing that type of move. So the best thing is to be out of the market when that is playing out.
Yeah, that's what the buys though in New York session once we broke above these highs on 1980.71. Right here. It was a what is it on a 1 hour time frame?
It
was a fake out.
Adjust that.
Right here, it was a fake out. You see, because this candle, as soon as we broke 1984 though in New York, we just had a freaking rejection right there at this previous lower high. Right at this previous lower high.
Yeah.
Which is also a supply as well. So that was where we rejected. On here, it was a fake out on the 5 minute. A lot of people lost money.
But
yeah, go ahead.
Remember, just drop on like fire charts, like me no know entire trading plan as it. But if I did realize this morning when the market go to the 1983, 1985 region, it was a major resistance up there. So this was like the third touch.
Yeah.
And you know, based off of your experience and my experience, you know what you really mean when you come on the third touch. You know, the market always react to the third touch.
Facts.
And this morning, we didn't really have the discussion. I come on very late, so I kind of did miss the third touch because I was trying to get to you before. Hey, we don't have to go for that process, but we're just talking about the third touch in 1985. And the thing about the 1985 now, that zone is very like almost coming like it's like a psychological zone. Because
I don't mean to cut you off. I just want to say something real quick. So, if I was taking trades pre-London, guys, and we didn't have this zone here at 1958, let's say we had it here at around 1960, or let's just say we had it at 1962, right? And based on the 1 hour time frame, we just keep rejecting 1955 right? This is a very, very strong support. Just like what Chanel was saying, if we break below 1955, gold should sell off. And I completely agree with that analysis right there. But, so if we had the next resistance at 1962, I would have taken a buy right here. I would have taken this buy, and I'm taking it all the way back to 1962. Now, there is a possibility that even with this resistance here, gold can just still boom, break through it and go all the way back to 1962. Is possible. But if you look at structure here, we've been creating lower highs, lower lows. And on the higher time frame, gold is bearish as well. And on the 5-minute and on the 1-hour time frame, you had a resistance right here. You had more than one rejection. So you have to pay attention to 1958 because you already had more than one rejection. You have like, say this is even 3. So you already have 3 rejections here. Right? There's a possibility that gold can break it, but because you had 3 rejections here already, gold could come back to 1958 and reject again and start coming back down. And if we reject it, the next time gold comes down, we could see it break below 1955. If we are going to go bearish. But if we break this 1958, then gold should push back at least to 1962, and we might reject again. All right, go ahead, Tanya. I just want to say that.
Based on the analysis you just give forward a while ago, it's very correct. That analysis is very correct. 1958, you have to pay attention to that entirely 5-minute. You have a 5-minute supply at that area. You have a 5-minute resistance at that area. So you have to be careful about the 1958 areas. But as well, deep down with analysis, you still have to pay key attention to the 1954 support, because that support has been holding for quite a few times on the lower time frame, which is the 5-minute. So the 1954 analysis, the 1954 support area is a very key area as well, because the market tends to react to that area. So you have to be careful about that area. 1954.997 to be exact. You have to be careful about that area, because the entire market itself is trying to show you, alright, there can be an impulsive move off that area, and if that impulsive move break above the 1958, which King just mentioned a while ago, would like to see a breakout of that area and a retest back to 1958. Then we get a long trade, which is an upside trade, and then we can go forward to the 1962 and 1961. So it all have to be about the patience and the waiting. And you know, we have a few minutes, hours before we reach to the London session. So just be patient. So we're just waiting on that movement to take place. Back to you, King.
Yeah, I agree with you. Your analysis completely 100%.
I'm not patient. I grabbed 20 points on NAS.
Oh, let me see. Let me see why you take degree. I mean, we're bullish. NAS is bullish. Where was your entry?
So once we got that little liquidity grab down there in the 5-minute, and then we broke that high and closed bullish, I got it.
I mean, we do have a support here, so.
So, 1 second, King, before you explain. So you get that trade at like what, 1955?
No, this is NAS. NAS.
Oh, Oh, the NAS. Oh, me never move over. The NAS 100.
Oh man, I love your accent. Me never move over.
Oh, Before we go further on the NAS, you see the movement of the trade that I analyst earlier. And the NAS, you see he 1 to 3 TP
Mm-hmm.
this morning. Oh, we just talking on the live.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The NAS 100. You remember?
Hold on. Sorry to cut you off. Yeah, good job, Wow. Good job, Wow. You've been paying attention to our webinars. Now, good job. I'll tell you why this is.
Thank you.
You did a good job here. Now, we got support here. This is very strong. We have this rejection here, multiple rejections here, and another rejection here. Right? Now, once we push back here the third time, look at what we have here. Once we break these highs, right? Once we break these highs, we have these gaps to fill right here. Because of that alone, this is a very good entry to have. As soon as we break in here, check the buys, first TP, back up to this resistance right here. Final TP, obviously, back to the 1 hour highs. We break this 1 hour highs, then we're going to continue because now we have break of structure. We wait for price to break, demand formed, wait for price to retest the demand, boom, we take the buys. Good job. Go ahead, Channel. Oh, what do you think?
All right. Entirely, that is what. That's 100. The current price, what you're seeing, King. Tell me the current price you're seeing.
The current price I'm seeing?
Yeah, because to ensure that I'm on the right chart. Remember, that's 100 is like my first. Today was the first analyst I did that in, and it was very correct. And if we did take that trade, we would make a lot of money. What's the current?
Right now, 138.11.7.
Yeah, okay. So may have 130 18.8.
Yeah, that's fine. It's close enough.
All right. First thing first, the 5 minutes analyst on this chart, I'm not going to give you at the moment because that's a consolidation. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour.
Yeah, we don't have a break of structure yet.
Yeah, on the 1 hour we have a break of structure, right? Which is the 13758.3. That is the break of structure on the 1 hour, right?
Minor resistance right there. Yeah.
Yeah. So that was the break of structure 13758.6.
Yep, buys above there. Good.
And price decided it's mine to jump lower, but the movements to the upside, because y'all know the volatility, it was very volatile with all these candles, so we have to pay attention to the volatility. It was strictly showing upside. So for now, I don't really have a prediction to this market because it's very volatile to the upside. It's not even working within the structure within structure. So you know, it's like showing like 3 different structures at the moment, because it's like showing like sideways at the moment for different time frame, and then the smaller time frame is showing lower low, lower high. So this market right now is not a market I'm going to be considerate about, because it have to give me a clean direction about this. What is going? It's going to be higher, low. It's showing me on the 1 hour, which is showing like lower low, lower high. The smaller time frame is showing like higher high, higher low. So this market is the market I don't consider.
Yeah, for now, like right now, if you miss the buys, there's nothing you can do. If you miss this entry right now, there's nothing you can do. You have to wait. You have to wait
Yeah.
until
If you
we
miss
get back to this
the,
resistance.
if you are be honest, if you miss the 13593.9 entry, leave this market alone for the time being and focus on something that is trying to show you something. So I agree with the 100% king. Like this market, you miss the buyer already, so you just try to leave this alone. That is my perspective on that pair.
I agree. What do you think about GJ?
You have any other pair you have any thoughts on?
GJ, what do you think about GJ?
Gbpjpy.
Yeah, man, same GJ now.
Oh, wait, gold break? Gold break. Gold broke. That's fine.
Alright. And a higher time frame for GJ, 1 hour consolidation. Right?
Yeah.
1 hour. Give a second. Yeah. Looking.
Come on, guys, on YouTube. Let's get 100 likes before London Open. We only have 60 plus. We need 40 more. Let's get it.
So, alright. 1 hour consolidation. But don't be panic at the moment. That because there's a consolidation or a smaller time frame can give us entry. So I'm at the on the 1 hour at the moment, going to drop down to the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame at the moment, consolidation. Right, King?
Yeah.
King?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Oh, you can't hear me. Can you guys hear me on Zoom?
Yep, I can hear you.
Yeah, I hear you.
I can hear you.
Tanel, can you hear us?
Oh, I don't think you can.
Andy Sofa, King?
Can you hear us?
Oh, you can't hear us.
I'm texting him.
Okay.
Hey, yeah, hear me now? King Andy Sofa, I not hear nobody.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh yeah, me never did not hear before. Alright. When I touch down on the 5 minute time frame of the 1 hour consolidation, if you never enter the market like basically near closing the London session, I would consider GJ right now on a 5 minute time frame consolidation, right?
Yeah.
Which is pretty much a consolidation because the 5 minutes not showing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high. It's just within a range. So at the moment, GJ consolidation at the moment. So this is a market which you try not to force anything. Just leave it alone for it to play out in London.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. So what is the take on the GJ now, King? Let me see your take on the GJ.
Yeah, it's ranging, crazy range. You can clearly see on the 4 hour. It's in a crazy range, but for me, for buys, I needed to break above 172.800. We break that, I'm definitely will be looking for buys at that point. But right now,
You can, hold on.
You said what?
172,800.
Yeah.
Oh. Right, funny, top of the highs.
Now there could be an entry here if we break above 172,500 because we are the 5-minute time frame, right? Because once we break above 172,500, the next high is at 172,800. Now, if we can get that, and you know, the most recent demand will be somewhere around right here. If we can retest it, reject, and start breaking the new resistance that we formed, then I can take it by if I have a decent peak range. For example, let's say I get an entry here. I have at least a 20 plus peak range, and risk to reward, if it's at least a 1-to-1, then I'm going to take it buys even before we get back to 800, because when we get to back to 172,800, if the bullish volume is strong, we can just see GJ just break through 172,800 without rejecting. So I would love to get buys above 172,500 if possible, but if not, then no matter what, I'm always gonna wait for my setup. So if I do not get my setup in between here, then I'm going to wait until we break above 172,800. I'm not just going to get any buys like right now. I'm not just going to get any buys because we break it. No, that's not how I trade. That's not my setup. So I'll just wait for my setup. I can get it in between this range, and I might not, and I'm okay with that.
Okay, all right. This is something I'm going to explain about this GJ playing in a range, higher time frame. We all know that. The thing about GJ now, there was a 5-minute structure break which was at like 172,417. So mark it out on your thinking. I'm not seeing your thing on the Zoom, so just mark out that area on the Zoom so everybody can actually see the area I'm talking about. 172,417.
417?
Yeah. That is a breaker structure right there.
Is it right?
But the thing about it, you want the breaker structure to go higher than the 172,517. So even if we get like 172,600, then we automatically look back for a retest back to about 172,319. Once you get the a proper rejection to the downside, then I think I'll look at entry within that area.
Yeah, basically, that's what I said earlier too. We need a rejection for price to pull back around here, because we got we will have a nice demand setup right here, and we just wait for price to pull back there. So let us see that it's actually going to reject. And then we just, take it back to 172,800. We break above that. Hey, I'm still gonna stay in the trade.
Yeah, that is quite a pretty much area we're looking back for, because it's a strong area there. very strong here on the smaller time frame.
Yeah.
Because basically, on the close of the previous 5-minute candle, we have a breaker resistance at 172.471. But that pretty much as well could be a fake out.
Yeah, that's why you want to wait for that retest at a possible demand.
Yeah, the retest and the rejection at that area. So right now, it's just about patience and waiting.
Yeah.
So GJ right now at the moment, nothing concrete.
Good morning.
Good morning. So just imagine if you are taking a bar right here.
Yeah, that is the reason why we don't. Not we. That's the reason why I don't trade breakout trades. Because reason like this, because you have a breaker resistance, right?
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of people would consider the buy right there, but you always, guys, always remember, whenever you have a breakout, there has to be a retest.
Are you committed to your success in the stock market? Did you know that 99% of
Yeah, always remember, guys, once there is a breakout, there has to be a retest. So if you have a breakout to the downside or you have a breakout to the upside, you have to have a retest. So you have to have a retest. Once you have a retest and you start to see the rejection, that is when you try to look at entry. Don't try to look at entry at the breakout, please. The breakout thing, you have a lot of fake out. And the fake out, that's the point of the market you don't want to be in. And King can give you all a better understanding about it more than I can, because the breakout, you have a lot of things with all these rejection that it can check you, and you have to lose a lot of money. King, correct and what I have said?
Yeah, I agree. I don't trade breakout myself.
Breakout, there has to be a retest.
Are you committed to your success in the stock market?
I am.
Alright. Alright. At the moment we're looking at GJ, right?
Yeah.
We have a breakout a while ago. And if I was a breakout trader, I would have lost that trade. And then the markets tend to start to move in my favor now, which is very bad for me. But the entire patience about sitting in the market and waiting is very important. If you don't get a trade today, if you don't get a trade tomorrow, there is no problem in the market.
So let me ask, you said bad for you, meaning that we would have been stopped out, correct?
Yes, you would have been stopped out of this trade because I would have taken this trade as a breakout trade. So my entry would have been like 172, 471. And then we are aim to small stop loss, big again. So basically, I would have been stopped out of this if I was a breakout trader. So it's very important about the retest.
London is open.
To key areas.
Yeah, London is open.
You have to pay attention to key areas.
Look at that flush.
Okay, so you see,
London is open.
Move on, go.
so basically, what's
look,
happening?
I was just gonna say that. That was why I'm marking this supply right here just to see did we really tap into that supply. We did not really tap into that supply. Tap into that supply. If gold can give me this move here.
Gold?
Yeah. Now that we reject here, if gold can give me a retest, then I'll take a sell coming back down to this support here. Because we didn't really tap this supply. I don't like that.
Alright. And the 5-minute time frame, yeah, to be clear, I don't trade double bottom, double top on all these things, but at the moment the market is showing a double bottom on the lower time frame, but I don't trade those things. I always consider it as equal low. I don't trade about double bottom, I don't trade W's or entirely those things, and King can give you an explanation all about that, because I know he know once you go supply and demand, you know what double bottom and double top and all those things, what can be done to you. I don't specifically don't trade those things, but for the moment we're seeing a break of structure of 1958, and we're about to see a retest. But for me, I am waiting for this to create a retest, break a structure, then another retest, then I'll look at entry within that area at a nice and clean in demand area, and we get a trade to the upside. So that is what I'm looking at. King, what do you see about that?
King GJ is doing the exact same thing that gold is doing.
Yeah, you got consistently see things like this.
If gold pushes back to the demand that was formed here, I'll look for possible buys, even though we're in the range here.
The what area?
Between 1956 and 1955.
Yeah. Oh, so you're looking for a deep pullback then?
Yeah.
Because
either we get that, or I actually need a rejection back at the supply to take sales. If we do not retest this demand. And so those are the two things I'm looking for. Oh, you say not sales? Let's see. No.
That's what.
No.
Yeah, King.
Yeah.
Like whenever you get like the text about certain chart, you just have to just try just say it out loud for me here, for me to hear, because you know follow the chat. I understand something. I'm willing to move from chart to chart. But you have to just tell me so I can move from chart to chart, because sometimes you're there on the goal and I'm on the NAS100, I'm on the GJ. You have to just let me know so I can move from chart to chart, okay?
I think gold just did its retest and ready for buys. Do you think so, King? You know?
Alright, the thing about gold, alright?
Don't tap it yet.
If you draw a trend line from 1961 and you get a one touch 1958, you will look at it like a break or a retest of the trend line. But I do consider my trade off the trend line because they're not accurate. Supply and demand are support and resistance strictly.
Okay.
So you have to consider, like, if the market really come down to 1957,
It has
if
to
they
fill its gap.
retest the area they have all these rejection,
1957.
I would consider that. King, what is your take on it?
Yeah, 1957. Okay, I see.
1957, you do what?
No, if I had more of a better area in 1957 than the rejection of the trend line.
You take buys from 1957, that's what you're saying?
Yeah, if the market come to that area and have a lot of rejection because they have a
Because of this, you said something about trend line because of this trend line?
yeah, exactly that.
Yeah.
So if you look at the pattern, you have the demand area within that. You see the demand area, which consists of 1957.
Within tap it yet.
Yeah, so no, I was explaining it. I would more be confident about that area.
Yeah.
More than the retest of the trend line. The market did present itself down there, so just have to wait again.
I'm trying to see something. Oh man.
You're looking at Usoil.
US oil. That's why I'm tell King Man to tell me market. I mean, I look for and the
Just look in the trading view. You know what King
so
trades already for
to the Zoom. US.
I'll shout it out once he speaks.
We shot at the US allocate crude.
I think it's good. Yeah.
WTI. It's in the I placed it in there. Or Usoil. It says Usoil on trading view. That's the one I have there, but they're the same.
Thing about it, in I have two type of oil. I have crude, I have next one, but
okay, so King says crude. Go ahead.
Crude. Me look funny higher time frame first.
In the range, you know.
I would have taken the. Oh no, this kind of has no top weight. So no.
We're looking cells. Okay. Let me position my stuff over here.
This sell for me is ideal and smaller time frame, like how Mr. King have it on him thing. But the 1 hour, King, look at the 1 hour.
Yeah, I know what you're looking at on the 1 hour.
We're looking for quicks in and out, remember?
Yeah, but this is the thing. I can do a quick in and out with the 1 hour and the 5 minutes come together.
That's how King trades.
And no, but King can explain this to y'all. In and out, you have to understand a certain concept. The in and out for this trade, missed it a few hours ago. For me, that determined that what King is seeing, I am seeing. What I've seen, I should have been.
We need this candle to flip, guys. Not in yet, guys. Go ahead, because we've not taken the trades yet.
Yeah, me nah go explain and trade until the trader play out, or you say some more trade, because this is a trade where you make an analyst. Me no have like people mind I go sideway about it.
So basically what you're saying, that you would have had an earlier entry which is right up at the supply there, and it's basically passed. So
and so for the thing about this trade, this is a trade that King analyzed. So his entry is about the downside. So
no. I know what you're saying now. So if
I don't want
if this
to feel like
candle, so my entry would have been right here. Now we have this. Since I missed that entry that I would have had, plus this candle has no top wick. I don't take entries. Entries like that. This bearish candle has to have a top wick for me to take the trade. Now, since we're breaking these lows, I'm looking to take the trade if we break these lows. Right now, I'm not in yet. Now, if this bullish candle, we could see this bullish candle pull up a little bit just to retest this minor support, or retest somewhere here, and then we could start falling. If this happened, I'm going to take an early entry.
All right. The reason why
and I'm just looking to take it at least back to this support right here at 73,517, because we could reject it just to fill up this candle right here. That's what gold is trying to, Usoil is trying to do. At least we might reject it again and then start to push up.
Alright, you see this trade, not going to do analysis on it, because the way how we set up. So this trade, I don't want to change the y'all guys in the group. Like, I don't want to change our mind about the trade, because it's a very good trade that King come about. Very good trade, top-notch analyst. So I don't want to put my perspective about this trade to anyone, and no one feel like it's going sideways. So this analyst is something that I really like King analyst on it, but I just don't feel it. So it's very a good trade, because you have rejection to the upside based on the previous two candles, and then you have a what you just call it, like engulfing candle. So this trade can very play out. So nice trade.
So basically you're saying it's not a trade you would take, but the analyst is looking very good for King, and you like what King is seeing. Okay.
Yes. And
all right.
This is my first time ever looking at aisle trade. Very first time. I have never yet looked at an aisle trade, aisle chart at that. This is my first time. I don't even know the lot size. Like King, what's the lot size on the aisle?
Always similar to gold, I feel like.
It's very similar like gold?
Yeah. GJ came all the way down.
So you see, Gbpjpy structure. Gbpjpy structure. So King 172.178. Nice ID spot for your retest.
Huh?
172.178. ID spot for a retest. 174, 178.
Oh, okay. I think gold is gonna come down. Do not have a one-to-one if we can break below this wick. So I'm gonna leave that alone. We could get a weak fill here.
What's that? GJ? Okay.
We could get a weak fill to the downside if GJ can retest this support. But also you have a 5-minute demand right here, which is where we're currently rejecting. Even this bearish candle just came back, wick down. We did not really close below this demand previously because this body did not close. The body of this bearish candle didn't close below this demand or support, whatever you want to call it. Since that didn't happen, this was a rejection as well, and we created a support at 171.700. So this demand could possibly hold and just break above 172.150 and just continue to the upside. But if we break this low, the low of this bullish candle, then GJ should continue falling and give us a weak fill here and possibly reject again at 171.700. Right now, this candle has no top wick, so, and we've not really rejected the support.
Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do? Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew. Yeah, don't need that drama. She calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Be rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl. You so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if love can kill. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Don't say, for bullshit. Don't say, bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Wind up on me now, wind up on me, girl. We on the dance floor, we vibing. We in so deep like we mobbing. You got my temperature rising. No one like you, boo. Always keep it hundo when you move. They don't really want it with our crew. Don't need that drama. She calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Be rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl. You so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, still don't hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can kill. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Don't say, for bullshit. Don't say, bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Ce soir avec moi. Elle veut danser. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bullshit. Don't say, for bullshit. Don't say, bullshit.
King, what other period trade? Just the IL, the GBP, JPY, NAS100 gold, and what else?
Gold, GJ, NAS100, and Usoil.
Nothing else?
Nope.
Keeps it simple.
Also, just 4 of them.
Oh, you sometimes trade EJ. What is it? EJ?
Huh?
Do you trade EJ? Euro, JPY?
No, I used to, but
Oh, okay. Thank you.
welcome. I don't like the fact that GJ is not trying to retest this support.
What the 172, 176?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
The 172, 76 here.
Retest that area. It only means it's just gonna continue to possibly just slide.
Yeah. But
Right. So that's
she
like a
can-
breakout trade.
She can choose to not even retest it and just still drop.
Right.
Have to
That's-
be patient. Just wait for it.
I think sometimes I've read where they call this, like when it doesn't retest king. I think they call it something like for breakout. They call it like a rally base rally, or I think they do in this case it would be a drop base drop. But that's like a breakout kind of term, I guess. I don't know. I just read it someplace.
If it's super aggressive, they'll just go sideways a little and then continue.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like that impulsive move. But one has to be so careful with it too, but I personally think, and then that's my opinion, just looking on the chart, like I just think that maybe, like King says, it just won't retest, it's just gonna drop. Because I've been watching quite a few of these and how they operate even on gold. And usually when they get that impulsive move, like you say, is it Val? Is it
I guess he's
drawdown? Yeah. Then it hang out for a little bit. Maybe that little consolidation. I usually say hang out, right?
Yeah.
And then Tana will always inform me it's a rest period. And then it just continue in that direction of that movement. So I don't know, but it's risky to trade that way. I'm not chancing.
That's one of those why supply and demand is very powerful. All you have to do is just to look for the aggressive selling and the aggressive buying. 2 or more candles. The more the better.
Right.
Alright. King.
Yeah.
You remember 1958 era we talk about and gold? That got retested so many times and a lot of rejection, like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles reject that area. So for me, upside and gold should have been in that trade, but I just saw it past my entry.
Yeah,
Pull upside.
And then
1962.
Yeah, wait and London session. So
if it breaks this way, then it's gonna continue. I'll break again below the resistance. But if we break this minor resistance now that we have formed here, man, I think she should break 1962 at least, because it doesn't make sense to break this resistance here and then reject. But then again here, DJ is resting. He's sleeping.
DJ, too much cancer.
Look at gold breaking out.
No, we should break this minor resistance. Oh, there you go, breaking above. You know what I would like to see now? If this candle breaks above, hopefully she doesn't go too far. If she closes above,
1961.
I would like to see
1961.924.
Just one retest here to continue pushing back up and possibly break it. If the bullish momentum is strong enough, she might not even do any retest and just continue pushing.
DJ.
GJ come to the breakout of that GJ come back to our resistance area, but that is a minor rejection resistance area from King,
Yeah.
you like the minor support and GJ 5 minutes.
At 172.229.
One 172.38.
Oh, I'm sorry. I might be taking a sell here, depending on how this candle closes.
You like it still there?
Depending on how this bearish candle closes on gold. You see what I'm saying, Tano, on gold?
Yeah, me. Gold. Hold on, let me jump on the gold chart. Me dip on the GJ. Alright. You see thing about gold? Why I don't fancy the downside on gold?
I mean, not anymore now. I'm talking about earlier. You
gold?
mixed it. If this holds, if this supply here holds, then hey, I'm taking a sell. If we start breaking below the support, I'm taking a sell.
Alright.
If we start breaking below this support, I'm in a sell.
Alright, the reason behind my analysis on the gold now is that gold didn't even create a lower low. Gold create a equal low. So that for one give my attention that gold don't plan to go any further to the downside for it now. So I want a break of that low, which is the 1955.06. I want the market to break below that low before I take a sell.
Oh, break of structure. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
But me not fancy downside, man. To be honest.
We can still push up. I'm just saying, if this supply holds and we start breaking below this 5 minute support, I'm taking this sell. But for now, I don't have a buy setup or a sell setup yet, so I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, which is right. But King,
yeah,
you're supposed to mention in the group that my analyst is not going to always be correct or right. So people, you don't have to judge yourself about my analysis. If I have a different analyst, y'all have to work with the analyst and trust yourself about the analyst. You can't trust other people. Like, you can't trust my analyst. It's all about me and my perspective on the market. Just trust yourself and don't afraid to place a trade. There is no way you'll have 100% winning trade. Yeah, you're going to lose a lot. You're going to win a lot. So people, take a trade.
Okay, go back to Usoil.
Usoil. Yes, still within one support area for me. US are really orange.
I'm not in yet, guys. I don't know, dude. It looks so different from my broker. My broker, we are sitting GG might be a sell here. No top wick, so nope for me. No top wick. If she drives, she drives. No top wick, I'm not taking this.
Make it fire.
Until she flips and gives me a top wick.
Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be.
Usoil.
Find what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side.
Okay.
Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you.
Switching between Usoil, GJ.
I'm watching it for you. I'm watching Usoil.
I mean,
Mind your words when you talking about my baby.
I did a pullback.
yeah, I mean.
Every time that she whining for me, eyes only, body in motion, but her eyes on me. Her ex-boyfriend
Stop loss is above this candle here.
when they saw the 9 on me. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie, I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place. Girl, you've been searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place, yeah. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie, I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, I'ma be right here, girl, right next to you. Surfing in the wrong way. Surfing. You've been searching, yeah. In the wrong place. Yeah. Yeah. You know, even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Loving you madly. Girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I'll be here beside you. Anything I got you. You know play. All you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't for life. You don't even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Hey, you wanna get it. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere. She can do it, quiere.
Gold cell's starting to look good.
Maybe. I might be taking a bet on GJ. Support is still holding, guys, on GJ. Oh, GJ is not retesting his supply, he's retesting his support.
Yeah, very much.
I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl?
Man, USO was just looking real good.
Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you.
Sophia probably took profits on Usoil already.
That's a good one, King.
Because I know once you see the profits, you're taking your money.
Not even with 2 more extra 50.
You know me well.
Exactly. When a profit, that is it.
Green is green.
That is
Right,
it.
Charmaine?
If gold doesn't break this support 5-minute support below 1958, I'm not taking a sell.
GJ can't seem to make up its mind, huh?
Yeah.
Is NAS100 at your demand, key? 5 minutes.
Yeah, she came all the way back down to the support.
Looks pretty interesting, but I shall see.
Yeah, it's
So now, what's your take on NAS over there?
it's in the range.
Yeah, between 13,825, 13,779. Yeah, it's ranging. See which side it will break. It's gonna come down to maybe 13,75, 5,875. What's Mr. Gold up to?
I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. I've been trying to hold it to see if GG will give us an entry.
GJ.
So I'll be right back, guys.
Okay. Anyone banking on oil over there? Because you know I got out early.
What's going on, guys? Man, I fell asleep.
Yeah, because I was talking to you, but
Oh my
I'm
God,
like,
you know
uh-oh.
you know this early morning. If you hear me go quiet,
I know.
What's up with gold, man?
I was
Still in
asking
the
if you
same
banked in
spot.
oil, Charmaine.
Hmm?
Have you banked in oil?
No, I'm in drawdown.
Oh, I got out early in my little profit. You know me.
Mm. No, all the profits been like what, $6, $8? Because I did only a 2-lot size.
Oh, I made a little more. Nothing much, but just about.
So,
but profit is profit. Green is green.
Yeah, so true, so true. The thing is that I like that it closed below the zone, so that's why I stayed in. If it didn't close below the zone, I was getting out, but it closed below. But I don't know what it's doing right now.
King is actually watching GJ. Because GJ is holding up its support.
Okay.
That's his next move.
Okay.
He'll be back, he says.
Oh,
I'm back.
Oh, there
he is. Where's Tanel? Sleeping? What's going on over there, Tanel?
You know, early in the morning, people get that dropsy. You know, you'll be watching and talking for a minute, and then all of a sudden, boom, you just fall asleep. Especially if I'm in my bed, so. So if I don't fall asleep, I'll fall asleep. Come on, come on. What is this, Rin? Oh, let's go, man. I'm tired. I'm gonna leave him.
GJ's looking like it wants to do like downside without retesting. Is that so, King?
You say what?
I'm wondering what GJ's up to.
Yeah, it's still in this range. But if you start breaking this resistance I'm taking by, if you start breaking 171, 989, I'm taking a sell.
That's it, then that's it.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever been in all this long before, just stuck.
Let's hope it doesn't behave like, what was it? Was it gold yesterday? Had us in 3 hours.
Oh, but don't bother with that.
Bother with that thing. Come on, GJ, make up your mind now. I see you wanting to do something.
She looked like she and oil is stuck together.
I think we're gonna go bullish, but hey, I can be wrong.
On GJ?
Because, yeah, GJ. Because number one, GJ is bullish, and then number two, this demand is still holding, and you see this bullish candle, the one that rejected 171,989, well, wicked out the previous low. So you can see this wick is below the previous one. So, so the two reasons why I think DJ will go bullish.
So you're gonna wait for a closure below either one of the zones, or you just want to get in?
I'm gonna get in if this candle start crossing.
Oh, wait a minute. So you know, put up the thing, King. Sorry, not. Let me get over
I'm
here.
gonna let you go. I don't want to mess it. I'm gonna let you guys know once I get in.
It's retesting.
It's 1 hour. Candle is about to close.
That's a strong bullish candle over there. And GJ, let's see. It's the second to close. What are you up to?
I'm in, guys.
Okay.
I actually got in at this candle. So they just opened as soon as I took the buys. I got him right there.
I missed my entry. So I'll sit it out.
You miss your entry on what?
On GJ.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh. Oh, you were not watching it?
I didn't get in myself because
I was over there. I was trying to switch my thing to from Usoil, but
I just feel like it's just uncertainty around it. It's just like it's like it can't make up its mind. I'm looking for it to retest that whole area up there. Maybe for back to the demand or support area.
This is not really an engulfing candle, the bullish one, but she could still just tap this and then start pushing up again. Because we rejected its demand. You still have room to get in, Red Lady, if you want to.
yes.
Yeah, it's right at your entry.
Bye. I'll try with one.
You go for the sell. Resistance area up there. Oh, feeling it. Come on, GJ, push.
Okay.
Push for king. Push.
Yeah, just to push that.
Yeah, I'm rooting for you guys. Not in it, but I'm rooting. I'm right behind GJ, like just pushing it for you guys.
Push it, push it, push it.
You're not pushing
She's
hard
stubborn.
enough.
She's just so stubborn now. Like I'll go at my own pace. I don't care if you want to push. See what gold over here is doing. Nice, GJ. Nice. Come on, give us that push, dear. Come on. Give us that push. Let's secure their pips. Need to secure our pips. Come on. I like what I'm seeing. Nice. You guys should be in profit, huh?
Yeah, we are.
I would have taken mine already. Let's see if this is gonna be a doji. Oh, it's just push, GJ. You got your 100 likes, King?
Yeah.
Nice. Come on, GJ. Come on. You got this. You can do it. You can do it. Stepping away for a moment.
All right. GP1 is at 172.505.
What's the stop loss on oil, King?
Huh?
What's the stop loss on oil?
Oh, damn.
Yeah. No, you're not paying attention. I was saying she going up like GJ.
74.071. Yeah,
Okay.
she's tripping.
Yeah. Yeah. She look like GJ. I'm sorry. She and GJ look alike right now.
I'm just let it run.
Hmm?
I said I'm just gonna let it run.
You say GJ has its gap to fill?
Mm-hmm.
Looking good over there.
The aggressive selling we had previously.
Let me look at GJ now. What it wants to do. Oh. For me, GJ could possibly. Didn't GJ just retested that key area? And I wanted to push back down for a demand. Or a sell off? Who knows what GJ's out to? Who knows? Come on, GJ, do your thing.
It would be crazy if GJ does not push up, because we rejected this nice demand here.
Alright, looking like she's ready to come down now.
Who's ready to come down?
Oil.
If she breaks this new support here, she should fall.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I can't seem to keep my eyes open for some reason this morning.
You know, man, if you're on YouTube, you have to have freaking tough screen as a trader streaming on YouTube. Like, look at this one saying how the F you enter when a high is taken. Like, look at the freaking stats before you just start talking trash.
Yeah, you have to have tough skin.
And why the hell are you freaking here watching someone else's stream?
Okay.
Some folks just don't know how to keep opinions to themselves.
It's just too much energy trying to respond to them. We don't have the time.
Block them, that's all. That's all, just block them. I couldn't do a channel because I would block everyone. I'll be alone streaming. I mean, it wouldn't be a problem because I like to talk, right, Charmaine?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh,
I love streaming over there by myself, having conversation.
Okay, we both like to talk.
Right.
I love to talk. Wait, where's Ashley today?
I saw her earlier. She's just quiet today.
Okay.
What GJ's up to again? Yeah, she rejected twice. So we're waiting for this candle to close, see what happened. Come on, push GJ, push.
It got me out at break even.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you moved your stuff to be here already?
Yeah, on that bullish candle, I was like, okay, we shouldn't go down anymore.
Yeah, that was what I was expecting too. But yeah, she playing. I was like, okay, this bullish candle looks like she wants to drive. But well, she took a break. She stepped on the gas brake.
Man, London session, my God.
Yeah, London session has been crazy.
Usoil getting on my nerves. About to fall asleep.
So this looks so messy. Sure. Alright, JJ. 72, 325. I don't know, I just feel like I want to take a sell on GJ once it hits that retest area. They just keep rejecting up there.
You see some
powerful move.
It's just rejecting. It's just rejecting like 172, 324 area. And I rejected it twice, almost 3 times. So could that be telling us like, okay, but then it's above its support, so
I don't took buys because number one we bullish on GJ. Number two,
that was good, because if I had taken like a larger lot size, say per se I was in, we would have made money. Yeah, so that was a good call. Yeah,
you mean you, because I have not got it.
You'd have pushed that market up with your large lot size, Sophie.
Yeah, I would have made a quick thing and get out. That's how I play.
Oh, trust me, I'm watching oil. I'm on it.
I'm not giving back to that market.
I'm on the oil trade. Once ago, she and GJ doing the same thing right about now.
Can't seem to make up their mind.
We need GJ to push up, and we need Usoil to fall.
They're saying they
so
should
far
decide.
GJ's looking nice again right now.
I don't know. I just took
my little profit and kept it moving. I didn't even stack GJ. I just did a 1 and took my profit. I'm done.
You're out of it. 172.
You're out of GJ too?
Yeah, I'd moved my stop loss and it wicked me and it took me out.
Well, at least you made something.
Oh yeah, money is money.
Green is green.
That's it. I'm looking for some green on Usoil now so I could get out and go to sleep. I'm sorry, King. I'm not. I'm sleepy today.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, there's just such a rejection right there at that 172, 325 area. What's holding it up? It's refused to break, see? Just refused to break.
Come on, oil. Do your thing now.
I was just about to say, come on, Usoil, let's get this money. Let's go. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah. Okay. You said secure.
Yeah, secure.
Huh?
I secure one, but I gotta wait for the second one. She pulled back.
Oh my goodness. This is like
She pulled back.
What the crap? I mean, something wrong with my lot size on gold. I'm in the 2. I mean, not gold. Oil. All right, there she goes. Come on, girl. Get down there.
There we go.
All right, I'm taking one. Okay, I'll take you. I like you.
If you took yourself, congratulations to you.
Where's my stop loss? You know what? I'm out. I'm tired. I'm not in the mood today.
I said, uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm extremely tired. I'm gonna set it and leave it. 74.05 and 73.
And 566 divided on say basically 2. Alright, 2 is.
No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body.
Come on, GG, do your thing. Once it breaks.
But she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen.
That's all right. So 2, 3, 2, 5. Let me see.
Fashionably laid on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably laid. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. Shut it down. Knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through.
2.8A.
It's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us.
And 171, 859. 95. Alright, let's see. One always looking very bullish on GG.
Oh man, I was also about to secure.
Whoa, look at gold. Gold is gone.
To the upside?
Yeah.
We knew it was gonna break, yeah? It broke that structure. Though it looks good. I came out of it earlier though. Yeah. Chanel had given the thesis on it that this would have been a run, remember earlier? Yeah. He said it was more of an upside, yeah. There it is.
Come on, GG, hurry up.
Broken, that's it. I need a retest on it to get in though, since I didn't catch it.
Can you get 10 pips in?
No, I was almost there. I should have gotten 10 pips by now. Oh, yeah.
Stop playing around, King, and take that 9 pips.
Actually,
right?
I only needed one more pip.
She looking real flaky this morning. I don't like the way she be behaving. Go, let's go in. 64.
Yeah, his thesis was right. He was like, yeah. I'm looking for an
All right, King, there
upside.
you go.
There's your gold. If gold breaks there, wow.
That's how it is.
165 to 8.
Did you get in it?
Gold?
Close
I got it
90%.
earlier, but I gotta. What's my own little thing?
Mm.
Yeah, that was
King,
my own little thing.
King, I cheated on you this morning.
What?
I cheated in with one of your old pairs.
What pair is that?
PJ?
GU.
Oh, GU. She keeps getting to 99 pips and oh my god.
So that's your sign, King. What is it telling you? Do you wait for the 10 or?
Oh, he's gonna wait because it's gonna push. There it is.
There. Right.
Oh man. DJ, you are lying today.
Where are the guys today? Are they sleeping? Our guys. Chanel seems like he's sleeping. Where's Val? You sleeping too?
Man, I only needed $10 and I didn't close.
Look at that. Looking good.
Here it is.
I'm waiting for my little $10.
Take that $10.
I got my $10 already. I got $60 as a matter of fact.
Ooh, you're banking, Charmaine.
No, I'm saying I needed $10 more.
Oh,
10 more dollars. Oh, because I know you was playing around, boss. So I need to take my $10.
That's a good one. Good call on King.
But when this kind of closes, if I'm still in, I'm gonna move myself to break even, and it closes in 1 minute. Oh,
there you go. Come on, do your thing.
There we go.
Yeah.
Got it now.
Oh yeah, you did.
See, I waited for my little 10 pips.
Smoke up some ganja now.
Oh Lord, Charmaine. You're entertaining King.
I was about to do it anyways.
Oh boy, see what I mean? You reminded him, I should say.
Wait, what did you do on did you take profit on Usoil, King?
I already took partials on USI.
Oh.
Retest.
Oh yeah, we did. Oh,
NAS retested and now is in a push phase. It's breaking that whole resistant area for the next push. Look at how strong it is. What's going on this morning? Is it some news that? Wow, look at that. Beautiful.
Oh, look at Gigi now.
They're all doing their thing. GJ is heading for what, 172.529 area? Right at that supply area. We shall see. Once it does its thing and we're out, we're out.
Mambo Fellina. Is that an
Money on oil.
You're on oil?
Yep, 20 pips secured on oil.
Whoa, beautiful.
Yeah, I still had a little one running. A little runner
looks
going.
so good on my chart over here, OMG.
25 actually.
I should have gotten back in around 73.80 at that no supply area. Beautiful.
Did you say move your stop loss on oil, King?
It's still looking good.
No, my stop loss is still at entry.
Oh, you move it to entry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Looking good. Well, looks really good. I'm speaking Spanish over here. Look at oil. Ooh, beautiful.
I had a 0.2 as a runner. She's still nice.
Wow.
But I got in. I got in earlier though with that 0.2.
Girl.
I was tested out when it went back up earlier before we got in. I got in with a 0.2. Say, let me see, because it looks really good.
Rejecting a little bit. Let's hope it closes bearish. And ready for that additional run. Let's see. I mean, drop, I should say.
Guys, I catch y'all in New York, okay? I am
ready. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
This was the first TP. That was 35 pips. That was we smashed the first TP. And final TP is just here for 60 pips.
Okay.
She got that vibe, she got that go-go. Ooh. She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah.
See, that was just a troll earlier.
Huh?
A troll earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta leave those people alone, man. God has blessed you and blessed you so you can now try to bless us and we can take heed. So, listen.
I don't like responding to them either. It's just too much energy.
Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to get some knowledge from you. So. Anyway, blessings everyone. Be safe out there. Okay. It's pouring cats and dog in Florida, so I don't know.
Oh, really? Right now?
Yeah, it's flooding up again.
Yeah. I see why Dr. Dollar moved to Houston.
What, he was in Florida?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, Miami, that's the same thing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So maybe you
Thank God I don't have to go outside for 3 days.
Maybe you need to do the same thing too and move here to Houston.
No, baby, I'm moving back to New York.
Oh, New York.
Oh, look at GJ. Who's holding on YouTube? Who's still in on YouTube holding?
We probably all still holding. Alright, so let them do this and we do ours. Absolutely.
King.
Huh?
King.
Huh?
Hustler FX said, I thought you said you wasn't you were going to 20 pips before you moved to break even, huh?
Oh,
You did say that, King.
No. I said 10 pips. I'll move stocks to break even. 20 pips. I'll take partials. But I've not been doing that because because of the volume doing London, but doing New York, I've been doing that a lot doing New York because I usually have more than one position. So what I've been doing is doing New York most of the time, especially on gold, doing New York. So one of my positions, most up to break even, take partials at 10 pips, and then once I get to 20 pips, the second position, I will take partials on the second positions at 20 pips, and then I'll just keep, riding the trade if it keeps me in. Take more partials.
Oh, let us say that again in New York for me, okay? So I'm holding with you. I'm trying to hold, but this morning was just it is too shady. I didn't like it. I took it out.
All right, 20 pips on GJ.
And look at that, 20 pips on GJ.
This first TP smashed. TP smashed on GJ. Beautiful. First TP smashed 25 pips here on GJ. Final TP is up there for 50 pips.
Yeah, I got into GJ on the even though I don't play this way though, on the breakout, and I did like 5 contracts, so I'm up nicely.
Oh wow, Sophia.
Yeah.
You failed to mention that?
Here's why I don't mention stuff, right? Because if it fails, I don't want you failing with me.
Listen to me. I'm good. I'm good either way.
Right, because then, I saw the candle, how strong it was. So I knew the strength it had with the buyers, because I even think that it's just pulling back just to make another run. I could see it going to possibly 172.67, 172.80 if it decides to move. What are you seeing, King?
I mean, as long as we can break above 172.800, then
right,
she should continue bullish. As long as we do not have a fake out, just for us to come back down, just like we did yesterday.
Yeah, the candle is strong. I want this candle to close bullish over this whole resistant area. Our supply.
What happened?
YouTubers are fine. I gotta repeat everything. Sometimes I just feel like reading the YouTubers, keeping up with them. Some of them are so funny.
Yeah, there it is. We're getting that additional bullish candle. I see it. Come on.
Don't get too excited.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't get too excited yet.
Don't do it. Now I have to sell out. Let me sell partial.
Yes, there go oil. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, come on. Let's go. TP2. I think I just woke back up.
Because you're making money.
Right?
See Moolah this morning. Moolah.
Partial. Moving to break even. 172.50. 172.50.
I'll fake up GJ too.
Alright.
Where's Faye?
I just sold 2 position and this thing is ready to move. I should have known better.
Faye still taking care of our dad, remember?
Oh, Usoil over here. I have a small contract on it. Not doing bad.
I thought somebody just said Faye took something too.
Yeah. They took GJ.
She said she took GJ?
Yep.
How do you know?
Usoil.
Discord.
Oh,
Oh, on Discord. Oh,
well, I didn't.
okay. Hey, let me go over there and say hi to her.
Let me do a split screen right now so I could see
Oh
them
yeah,
both.
she did.
Right. Let me see. Mhm. See what's gonna happen on here. US oil is pumping. I could have missed the action, so I got in. Come on, GJ. I shouldn't have sold my two contract. I would have been up nicer. That's fine. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Alright, let's see. Come on. Yeah, GJ's moving. It was oil. Let's see what is it doing. Creating 2 minutes to close. GJ's pumping. Come on, break above, let's supply.
Can we get to 200 likes, chat? Let's see. Prove me wrong and let's get to 200 likes.
Come on. Yeah, let me take my little.
They probably won't get me to 200 likes.
I'll take my little 25 here. How about 30?
I don't think I don't think YouTube like me that much, guys. So they won't give me 200.
Why do you say that, King? King, don't say that.
Because they don't be liking my stuff.
You know me, as I open YouTube, the first thing before I even go on your stream, I press the little X button, like the stream, then I open up the stream. Let's see what's going on. Is that
still moving?
I don't know. My thing is saying 79 likes. How much? What did you got so far?
160.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, you're going for 2.
Yeah, Jojo GJ's pumping.
Oh, wow.
And I sold out my shoe over there. Oil is pulling back now.
Let's see. If you're still in Usoil, I'll move at least my stop loss to 73.731.
I came out of it.
No, baby, I'm at 73.67.
Yeah, just move it to profit.
I came out of both of those. I'm out. Better to be safe than sorry.
And at some point, we're gonna have to like hold out to make that, you know.
No, I could see the chart, so I feel comfortable with what I'm getting, but I could sometimes read the candles, like if it's a you call that inverse doji or whatever it is. I kind of look for those little reversal things. They don't always work out, but in many cases they do. And especially if they form like 2 together, then I'll be like, yeah, entry or exit. So before they actually start pulling down on me, like heavily. And sometimes they pull down like really heavily, you can't even get a chance to sell out just quickly.
I think I have to up my lot size on Usoil because that don't make me any money, really. I'm taking it up to a 5 lot next time.
Yeah, makes sense.
Stick to your lot size. Don't get greedy.
No, but that's what I was using before. I was using the 5 and then I dropped it down to the 2. But the 2 is not doing anything.
That's because of your entry.
Listen, my entry was good. I had a sniper entry, okay? I got it before King did.
You go, girl.
Okay?
Yeah, I guess.
Let me tell you where I got in at.
Yeah. Once I see that inverted hammer, I'm like,
That's true.
see what gold is doing over here. Yeah, gold is wanting to retest. So let me draw it up now and see where I want to get in. Where's Tanel sleeping on us? Oh, poor thing.
The next zone it has to break is 1965. If it breaks that, it should continue up some more based off the 1 hour time frame. But we got a supply here.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see where I want to pull it back. Where I want to take this entry. All right, let me see. Maybe.
We've broken some structures here.
Usoil to the check. Come on, Usoil.
There.
That's where I put my TP right there, King. I'm done. I didn't put my TP any lower than that. Yeah, I'm going back to a 5 lot. Makes no sense.
Do your thing, girl. Do your thing. Alright.
That's it for me. That was where I put my TP right there. If it breaks there, we're gone. We're going down, but I'm tired.
Yeah. You guys can get out of USO now if you want. You don't have to wait until it gets to TP. We might get there, we might not.
Beautiful trades this morning, King. You can see how patience works, right?
Patience.
Patience.
King, are you gonna be doing a re-entry on possibly gold in this session?
Oh no, I'm done for this session.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we did well. That was 3 bangers, 2 bangers.
2. King, you need to go back to 3, man. 1 more.
No.
You're wanting us to give back our gains, Charmaine?
So what are you setting up, dear? What is that you setting up? Wait. Maybe my thing went back. Oh. Okay.
For me, I'm looking to re-enter on gold if it does pull back around 162, 150.
Oh, and on GJ, my stop loss is right here.
I said 152. I'm talking about.
Come on, guys, hit that likes to 200.
61.
Come on. Give King a 200 like today. 2 bangers. Come on. We waited patiently.
Gold. Where's gold? Let me put that in.
So those of you on YouTube, if you guys want to trade New York session with us, the private chat room link is down below in the description. Alright, plus weekly webinars. That's basically showing you how I trade every week, going over the trades we took for the week, stuff like that.
And we don't bite, as Wal said yesterday.
Huh? So what?
I think it was Wal. Someone said yesterday we don't bite, right?
No,
That
we
was
just
all.
like to talk.
No. It's just a joke. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Just a joke.
There's sometimes we're a little more passionate.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, excuse me. Sometimes we're a little more passionate than other times, but we just love to talk.
Well, I know all about that, Charmaine. It's funny that Tanel was saying that to me. He was like, boy, Auntie, Charmaine is worse than you are. And if someone is worse than you are, I don't know what to tell you, because I'll be having conversation with him and all I hear is one word, and I'll be having a conversation for an hour, 2 hours, maybe 2 words, until I said, you know what? I don't think you're wanting to speak. I'll talk to you later. Like, I'm having a conversation with myself. I love to talk. I really do.
Yeah, but I have to do like a mental stoppage, or I have to keep telling my mind, Charmaine, stop talking. And let other people talk. So.
But if they're not talking, what can we do except having conversation?
Yeah, that's why we joined the Zoom. Sorry, guys on YouTube. Sorry, but that's why we joined Zoom, so we could chat. We want to stay awake.
Yeah, because yesterday I just slept and slept and slept.
I think everybody signed up from YouTube.
They signed off?
No one is no one over there is making any comments or anything.
Well, because they made their money and they're gone. A free content, they're making money. They're like, King,
I know that's what I mean after that.
They're like, King, I thank you. I don't have to like you, but I just made my money. Bye. See you same place, same time tomorrow. They're like, I don't need. It's kind of like, you know how they're always saying just stay online for the survey. And sometimes you do find some very nice folks who really help you. And I'm like, okay, the minute that music comes on, click. I don't stay for survey as much as I was in that business, and survey meant a lot to me for my service, but I never do survey. It's too long. If they send it online, then yeah, I'll do it.
Are we up to 190 likes? Come on, 200. Come on, for all the other people that didn't hit it, just hit it.
Today was a great day, guys. Pulling down how many pips, guys?
Today was a patient day.
Every day is a patient day.
Nah, yesterday we was in and out. Look, in New York, we was in and out like I don't even think it was a minute.
But you remember that goal earlier, right?
Oh man,
sleep.
I was nice, like boom, bam, secure. That's all I heard King say.
I heard it too, girl.
He does that. King does that thing where when it's good, he be like, secure.
Yeah.
Like, yes.
Yeah. That's funny.
Oh my god. Listen, it's boring trading by, just staring at the screen.
That's why I joined the group. I mean, I didn't have to, but I did. Because I need
Kaz, I would love for him to go back to that 3 trades a day, with 3 trades in the morning, but he's not doing it. And we're being greedy. We don't need 3 trades. Because what happened now, what I'm finding that when I overtrade, it's like I'm still at my job, my regular 9 to 5 job. It's like I'm on the chart, looking for another trade, and it's like, that's not what I want with this. I want to, this is like, let's find a trade, get a trade, and be out in the next half an hour. So that's all the work I want to do on here. 2 hours is good. 2 hours is max. That's it.
Mhm.
Because if you're spending more time on your charts, still looking for trades, like just go back to your regular job.
Yeah.
That's no freedom.
Yeah.
You're basically still working 9 to 5.
And I just calculate it as okay, let me see on this trade I
Like
just made.
for me, every whatever session you trade, you shouldn't be on there more than 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
4 hours, you're done.
Oh, King, look, you up to 200?
Oh yeah, exactly 200
See,
likes.
oh,
Nice.
see,
Thank you,
see,
guys.
the YouTubers love you, King.
We
love
appreciate you.
Good
Thanks,
job, guys.
everyone. King appreciate it. We appreciate it. We want to keep him here with us. Yes, yes.
All right, see you in New York.
Okay.
It's almost 4 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna upload here too, guys. So I'll see you guys though in New York.
All right.
Okay, see you then.
Bless everyone. Stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Recording stopped.
YouTube, if you wanna, like I said earlier, trade New York session with us, link is down below in the description. Aside from that, thank you guys for helping out. Thank you for the 200 plus likes. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star.